Okay, here's one for you. You're gonna like this one. I took the 4 screws off for this carburetor on a 1957 Ford farm tractor, and yeah, that's pretty bad. Wow, I got a lot of cleaning to do. If those floats are okay, I think I can get it cleaned out. But that is one huge mess. And yeah. Wish me luck on cleaning that. Of course, I'll have to make me a gasket. That gasket's gone. So, yeah, wish me luck on that. Got some work to do. Clean, clean, clean. Well, as you can see, there's a pile of stuff in the bottom of this. That's gonna need some work. I might start thinking about some chemicals. Maybe some phosphoric acid. Luckily, I keep some on hand. I think that's what I'll do. I'll try some phosphoric acid in there. I gotta get this all apart though. I gotta get all these needle valves out. I gotta get that float valve out. So I put a little WD on there to get things loosened up. I gotta open up every orifice, every screw, take everything out. This is all cast iron, not aluminum. And see if I can't salvage this thing. If I can get that pin to seat for the gas, for the float, I'll be all right. I'll be all right. That's the big question right there. Wish me luck. I'll need it. Okay. Let's see if we can do this here. I got the needle valve out, well, the float valve out, and floats look like they're still intact. No holes in them. I think they'll be all right. We'll get all that corrosion off of there. The pin that was holding it in is in good shape. This needle valve is good. Has a nice taper on it. Needs cleaned up a little bit. It came right out. This is solid steel, so there's no damage on it. So, yeah, it's solid steel, so it fell out, which means the seat's good, but I'll be taking it out, of course, too, and cleaning. So we're on our way. It's a lot of work, but everybody else probably would have thrown it away and got a new one if they could find one. But it's salvageable. I have high hopes for it. You watch and see. We'll get her done. Okay, after a little bit of cleaning, I think we got all this stuff cleaned out. All the orifices cleaned. There's small jets, different places. I think we're going to be in good shape. New gasket, made from scratch. That should work. We'll put it together and see if it works. once again, wish me luck. Okay, I figured out a fix for this problem. I got a gasoline filter bowl, and it was leaking like a sieve. This gasket that was in it is hard as a rock, okay, and warped, and it's even oval shaped. This whole thing, it's still oval shaped, okay. It was pulled inward because it's made out of zinc. It's kind of soft, and then every time somebody would crank down on the bowl, it would pull it a little tighter, which would bend it a little more. You can actually see it's bent, okay. Anyway, this wouldn't seal anymore, and all it did was it rocked back and forth in here, okay, from the high spots. So made a new gasket. It's good for gasoline, and tried to use it. It didn't work, so I decided I'm going to try something different. I put this in the vise and ran it. It's a 50 millimeter, about 2-inch saw. So I already had this loose. I didn't use the center drill bit. I didn't need to. I just put that up in there and machined it out by hand. And you can see where there's a little bit left of the old corrosion, but it seals good. It's just enough. I didn't want to take any more than I had to, because it'll take more of the strength out of it. But you can see how shiny it is. You don't need a milling machine, just a drill press. So, cost me nothing, and I got this thing fixed. I already had it on the tractor already once, so I know it works. And here's my fix. Fits good, nice and flat, doesn't rock, seals it up good. Another project. Well, let's see if it'll start. Woohoo!